Hello and welcome to my STHbs pack opening. I'm going to be opening undecided. Yes, I think it's going to be a bronze pack, right? I'm going to open premium bronze jumbo pack for 1,500 coins. Pack 1,500 coins. Please comment, subscribe and like and watch my other videos, please. Okay, I don't know what's going on there. If we press skip, there's no point. Oh, I got Sodje. Okay, this is... Whoa. 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 Oh my god. Who is... Oh, we've got a hard guy here. There's weird fireworks going on. I'm just going to click continue. Okay, what's going on? Okay, that was a bit strange. It's the first time I've opened a pack on the online. Right, 1,500. Pixel 402. That ain't actually too bad. Who we got? No one. But we got Sodje. Where's that? He just deserves to be. I don't even know what he does. But just look at. Whoa. He didn't. These three. Let's try that. New items 20. Oh yeah. Right, so if anyone wants any of these players, comment. Don't know if anyone would. Just for you, I'm just gonna. Don't know. I'm just gonna start it good. Right. 5 coins. Oh no. 1 plus go no. Right, so I'm just gonna quick sell these. So yeah, if anyone wants any of these, I'm just going to star all the players in the club. And if anyone is interested, or like, does anyone wants any football? Right, I know what I'll do. I'm going to put them all up for 99k, 99k start price and 100k buy now for all of these. And if anyone's interested, you can all you have to do is just put a trade offer in. Like, if you do like a gold, I'm not going to say I'm going to give away Barcelona in form team or anything like that. I'm just going to say if it's someone decent, then I will actually give you someone back. I'm not just going to, but obviously you could do just the coffee club. Could actually be worth with it. Right, yeah, if anyone wants this actually, I'll put that up. Of you. There we go. Right, 9. Right, so 900. And then right, so that's what that's going up for, not for 1 hour. It's going for 3 days. Anything. It says the coffee club, and I think that just looks cool. So if anyone wants to put a trade offer in for anything, I will accept. So that's it. And by the way, so I'll be doing exactly the same as that. So 900 grand. Right, so I'm just going to do it. I'm not going to make you watch all of this. Match you. So it's going to be 900 grand start price and 999k buy now. So trade offers are welcome. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Watch my videos. Like, comment, of course. Inbox me if you want to do a trade or anything. And yeah, thanks for watching.